Tool organizer ideas. Well, I must admit this was not my idea. I found this idea on Kijiji and decided I want to organize my tools better. And this is how I did it. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. This is the part that I used to hang the tools upside down. It is a male part that fits into the female battery receptacle of the tool. I had two options to get these parts. I could have driven to Oshawa, which is about a 2-hour drive away from where I live, paid $7 each for these, or I could have just printed them myself with my 3D printer, so I decided to print them myself. And this is the story on how I did it. I could have drew this part up in SolidWorks, but I thought, let's see if it's already existing. So I went to Thingiverse, typed in DeWalt tool holders, and this is what came up. So it was much easier for me to just download the holder program and 3D print it from there. You just download it, save it. My system uploads it automatically into FlashForge. Load the program, orientate the program onto the platen. Then you want to pick the material that you want to print it out of and the printer head. In this case, I have two heads to choose from. Choose the printer head with the material that you like. Turn around and set the material in the actual program. Save the program to an SD card and then load that card into the machine. This program takes about 2.5 hours, so I thought I would speed it up a small amount. Now it's time to construct the tooling compartment. I decided I was going to use an old piece of shelving that I had laying around. I never even bothered cleaning it off. I'd wipe it down later on. All I did was cut the shelving to all the different dimensions that I needed. I did have a predetermined plan. I needed to incorporate 12 batteries, a skill saw, drywall saw, a fine tool, flashlight, sawzall, grinder. A lot of stuff to incorporate into a small area, and I didn't want the tools smashing together. I glued, and I also used particle board screws to mount everything together, so I didn't want it coming apart or breaking apart down the road. For my toolbox, I'm using an old filing cabinet with the doors that fold down, so the tools can be pulled out and in relatively easily. I also screwed through the steel drawer into the wood to stop anything from shifting or moving. These are the pieces that I laid down. I did have to offset them because some of the tools have different thicknesses than others. And this is the before shot, and here's the after. Glad that you enjoyed the video. If you want to see other great videos, check out my YouTube channel, Shop and Math. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. And please like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. All you have to do is click on the icon on my face and I'll do the rest. Thank you for watching the video and have a great night.